Ever wondered how to supercharge your Python coding? What if you could write better code, faster, and even explore cutting-edge concepts like never before? Coding is always changing, right? To stay ahead, we need to leverage new tools and dive into more advanced topics. Today, we'll talk about how AI can be your coding copilot and then briefly explore exciting advanced Python topics that will take your skills to the next level. Get ready to transform your coding journey. So what exactly are AI coding tools? Simply put, they are AI programs trained on huge amounts of code. They learn patterns and help you write your own code. Let's look at some of the most popular and great AI tools shaping how we code today. GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. It suggests lines of code and even whole functions as you type, directly in your editor. Tabnine, another excellent AI code completion tool that uses machine learning to provide highly relevant code suggestions. Amazon Code Whisperer offers real-time code recommendations and can even scan for security vulnerabilities. Cursor, an AI-first code editor designed from the ground up to integrate AI capabilities directly into your coding workflow, offering chat and intelligent edits. Deep Code, Snick Code, focuses on analyzing code for bugs, quality issues, and security vulnerabilities. ChatGPT and Google Gemini. While general-purpose AI, they are incredibly powerful for explaining code, debugging, generating snippets from natural language, and brainstorming coding solutions. These tools broadly help in several ways. Code completion generation. They predict what you want to type and complete lines or even whole functions for you. Code refactoring, optimization. They can analyze your code for inefficiencies and suggest improvements, helping you write cleaner, more efficient code. Bug detection, debugging assistance. They can spot potential problems in your code even before you run it, saving you a lot of headaches. Natural language code. Imagine telling the AI, write a Python function to read a file, and it just does it. These tools can turn your plain English instructions into actual code snippets. So what are the big benefits? They make you more productive, help reduce errors, and even help you learn new coding patterns by seeing how the AI solves problems. But, and this is important, AI is a tool, not a replacement for you. Don't just blindly accept what it generates. It can sometimes give you incorrect code or code that's not the best solution. Also, there are questions about where the code comes from. Is it unique? Is there any risk of copying? Always understand the code the AI gives you and test it thoroughly. It's your responsibility. Now, you might be eager to see these AI tools in action, right? How do you actually get them working in your own editor? How do you prompt them to generate code or find bugs? Well, great news. We have a comprehensive series coming soon that will dive deep into exactly how to use these AI tools in your coding workflow. We'll show you step by step how to set them up, how to write effective prompts, and how to use them for everything from generating simple functions to refactoring complex projects. This video is just the appetizer. In that dedicated series, we'll cover common mistakes, best practices, and real-world scenarios in detail. We'll teach you this golden rule. Don't blindly accept code. Always read through it, understand every line, and make sure it fits your needs. And how to use AI for boilerplate code, the repetitive stuff, but meticulously review complex logic that's unique to your problem. Plus, we'll emphasize how to test AI-generated code rigorously, treating it just like any other code you write to catch any hidden issues. Okay, let's step it up. We'll now briefly touch upon the realm of advanced Python topics. These are crucial for building more efficient, robust, and scalable applications. Think of it this way. Basic Python gives you the tools to build a house. Advanced Python teaches you how to design a skyscraper, manage complex plumbing, or build a smart home system. It's about optimizing, scaling, and handling more intricate challenges. These topics include concepts that allow your programs to handle many operations at once without slowing down, write cleaner and more reusable code, or even build powerful frameworks and libraries. Just like with AI tools, mastering these advanced concepts requires dedicated learning. So get ready for another exciting announcement. All right, your turn. Here's a challenge to get you thinking about AI tools and their potential. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And speaking of next steps, our Python journey doesn't stop here. The world of advanced Python is vast and exciting. So what's your next step? Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell because we have 2 special surprises for you. Thanks for watching and happy coding.